What is up everyone? In this video, we're going to check out MSI's entry into the streaming microphone market with the MSI GV60 USB condenser microphone. This microphone has an SRP of 5,990 pesos, which I think is very reasonable compared to other microphones, which is at around 7,000 to 8,000 peso range. But first, let's check out what comes out of the box. Of course, you're going to get the microphone, a foam pop filter, a USB-C to Type-A cable, and some rubber plugs. Build quality wise, I must say that I am very impressed because this microphone with the base attached has a solid feel in it. The entire microphone has a metal body and you can feel the heft of the weight. The knobs feel solid, and here you have the polar pattern selector, the headphone volume control, mic gain control, and a mute button. Underneath, you'll find the headphone out, USB-C connector, and a screw-in thread so you can potentially mount this microphone in a boom arm with the right hardware. As far as specs is concerned, this microphone has multiple polar patterns including stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, and bidirectional. I will only be using the cardioid polar pattern for the remainder of this video. Okay, so now I am rotating the microphone at a 90-degree angle so you can hear the off-axis rejection. And then moving to the back at 180 degrees, you can hear the rear of the microphone. Then finally coming back to the front so you can hear it as is. Right, so now I am typing on a keyboard with tactile switches to see how much of my voice versus how much of the keyboard it picks up. Then, I'm being a pro gamer, pressing on the SAD W keys to see how much of my voice versus how much of the microphone it picks up. Now I'm on top of the microphone to see what the proximity effect sounds like. Then now I am 3 inches away from the microphone and here's how it sounds. Then finally, I'm far away from the microphone. Then you can also hear that you were picking a little bit of reverb from the room itself. In terms of audio quality, I feel like the MSI GV60 gives out a really clean output signal thanks to it being a USB microphone. So pair this up with some noise cancelling software like NVIDIA Broadcast and you should be very good to go. So overall, this microphone is pretty straightforward. It does what it intends to do. So it's a microphone that's very solid for spoken word and it's very solid for gamers and streamers. So that's about it for this video. So if you like this content, hit subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.